This AI just created an entire short film with dialogue, sound effects, and music, all from a single text prompt.
This town ain't seen nothing yet.
Hey there! Google just dropped a bombshell at I/O 2025 that's about to change everything for content creators. Google announced
Veo 3,
Imagen 4, and Flow. These aren't just incremental updates. They're the first AI tools that can generate complete video productions with synchronized audio, dialogue between characters, and professional sound design. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how this technology works, what it means for creators like you, and why this might be the biggest AI breakthrough of the year.
They left behind a ball today. It bounced higher than I can jump.
Oh, what manner of magic is that?
Veo 3 is Google's latest video generation model. With a game-changing difference, it now generates audio alongside video. While many previous models primarily focused on silent clips or required separate audio generation, Veo 3 deeply understands the relationship between what we see and hear. Flow is where things get really interesting. It's Google's new AI filmmaking tool that combines Veo 3 with Imagen 4 and Gemini to create a complete production studio. It's a platform aimed at facilitating the entire filmmaking process, from concept to a sequence of scenes, with a strong emphasis on narrative coherence and creative control. With Flow, you can generate short cinematic video clips from text or image prompts, define precise camera movements like dollies and zooms, add or remove objects from scenes, maintain consistent characters across multiple shots, extend existing shots, or stitch multiple clips together to form complete scenes. Most importantly, Flow is designed with storytelling in mind. It can maintain narrative consistency across multiple clips, keeping your characters, setting, and style cohesive. It is being rolled out to subscribers of Google AI Pro and AI Ultra plans in the US, with plans for broader availability. So, what can you actually do with this kind of advanced video generation and editing technology? For YouTube creators, you could generate B-roll that perfectly matches your script, with appropriate sound effects already embedded. For indie filmmakers, you could prototype scenes before shooting, saving thousands in production costs. For businesses, you could create compelling promotional videos, potentially reducing reliance on large production teams for certain tasks. For educators, you could generate visual explanations of complex concepts, complete with narration. The technology isn't perfect yet. Longer narratives still need human guidance. But for short-form content under a minute, the results are already impressive.
Use the service
This
tunnel.
isn't just about making video creation easier. It's about fundamentally changing who can create professional content. The creative industry is about to undergo its biggest transformation since digital cameras. Those who adapt quickly will have an enormous advantage in creating engaging content at scale. What do you think? Will Veo 3 and Flow transform content creation, or are there limitations I've missed? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to stay ahead of the AI revolution, hit subscribe and that notification bell. I break down the latest AI developments and what they actually mean for creators like you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.